fried pork, some plantains, mixed vegetables, and onions. So, what's going on today, guys? Yeah, I know I'm not usually by myself, so I don't really have much to talk about. And since y'all ain't putting nothing in no kind of discussion which y'all want to hear about, so let's see. I've been reposting this video on Facebook of these guys that be doing mad dumb challenges, eating dead rats and what they be, dead rats, turtles. I think that one of them ate
a catfish.
A whole catfish. I mean, to the point, I think I shared it. Took the tongue out, ate the eyeballs. What y'all think of stuff like that? And people just give them donations.
Would y'all want to see her do that? Eat a catfish tongue?
I'm not going to do that. I'm not going to do that. Certain things I just can't do. And I mean, they eat from raw octopus to dog. I mean, I've seen them put shit on bread and eat it. I ain't doing that. Nobody want no views that day one bad. Let me see. I told them, I was like, why don't you go to YouTube? They said they was on YouTube, they got banned. So, but people love their show. I usually share it. Sometimes I can't watch it though. It just be too disgusting. Sometimes it be really disgusting. Where is that? A piece of my hair from my food. It'll be real disgusting if I think it's a piece of somebody else's. Yep, I was supposed to bring y'all guys make a video Monday. Well, I'm not doing that. I was tired again. I said Monday, Wednesday, and Friday. But I can't really keep up with that schedule. But I'm going to definitely have 2 to 3 out a week. Just probably not on them days. Well, not always on them days. So I asked who want to come over here and eat with me and talk, have some conversation, because I be having all this food and I can't eat it by myself. And the people in my house, they don't really eat what I eat, so. Like my kids want to be eating these onions, these plantains, these vegetables. Definitely not the onions. So did anybody go check out my daughter's channel? She don't just talk about natural hair. She talk about a couple of things. She actually gonna do a seafood boil tomorrow. We gotta get up there. She'll eat all the food too. I can't eat like that. And my little daughter, she's trying to be funny and playing, but I'm about to take my phone from her. She don't listen. I'm gonna see how much else I can eat today. I mean, it's not really heavy, so I don't know. So anyway, what's been going on with everybody? I'm trying to come up with like a story time. But there'd be so much shit going on. I'll be on jail for one thing right to the next.
Told you to tell them when you had corona.
Okay. They say I had corona, but
We don't say you did have corona.
I started off with a bad cough. I didn't know because I smoked, so I thought it was a smoker's cough. I didn't know what the hell was going on. But then, like, every day, I get up, I come in here, sit down and watch TV, and I wound up dozing off. I was feeling real fatigued. And it didn't start with the, losing my taste buds or anything like that. But then one day, I remember because it was right before my daughter's birthday. I was making some spaghetti and meatballs. And after I finished, I went to taste it. It was horrible. And I'm like, I always cook spaghetti meatballs, and I've never screwed up. I mean, come on, the spaghetti meatballs. It was horrible. I tasted. I'm like, it had no taste. I'm like, all right. I started feeling sick. Then it got to the point when I used to try to get in my bed. My legs were sore. I couldn't get in the bed. Like, what the hell going on? I could barely lift my legs. So, at this point, I'm like, okay, I'm just gonna chill, lay down. I ain't want to go to the hospital. I ain't want to believe I had no damn corona. Like maybe 2 days after that, I couldn't eat nothing, couldn't drink nothing. So now I wound up laid up in my bed for like just 2.5 months, a little almost 3 months. I couldn't eat. So now my daughter and them, because they're not cooked, so now my kids is eating restaurant for the whole, mind you, 2.5 months. Uber Eats. They buying me what is it? Insures, because I can't eat nothing. I'm taking Mucinex, all kinds of medicine. Can't keep nothing down. Every couple of days, I'm trying to eat something. Can't taste nothing. Can't eat nothing. Try to eat some soup. That made me throw up because the taste. I mean, it didn't. I can't even explain it. The taste was just like horrible. And my daughter, she coming in there, I'm asleep, feeling my head, saying I'm breathing. They think I'm in there dying. So I give it about maybe about 2 months, something like that. She came in there finally. I had an apple. She cut me up some apple. I was able to eat half the apple. From there, I went to soup, chicken noodle soup. Now I'm hyped up because I'm hungry. I could eat, but I'm still doing the insurance, not really eat much. Man, when I finally was able to get out that bag, when I came back in this living room with these, you would have thought I died and came back to life. My sister hyped up. Oh my gosh, she's back. My daughter, oh, we thought you was gonna die. We didn't know what to do, who to call. Like, damn, y'all done put me in my damn grave already? They was in here scared to death. I was like, thank the Lord Jesus Christ. Because I don't know what would have happened to my young kids with them two. They ain't know what to do. But thank God I'm fine. I'm here. A lot of people wasn't so lucky. Scary time. And then I just read something about people that's taking the shots. They might turn into zombies. Talking about an apocalypse. I'm like, y'all gotta be kidding me. I ain't taking that shot. What's meant to be is meant to be, but I'm not taking that shot. You can get that shot anywhere in the project. When you know for them to put something out there for black people, and we ain't have to wait till the end before we can even get a dose of something. And they like trying to push us together, I'm good. I ain't taking it. I ain't let my kids take it either. Yeah, I might hear some noise in a minute. My grandbaby getting up. And she likes to show out too. You hear her? Oh, she's sitting. I tell you, she went back. So they said, put on your channel, why? So she can knock on the damn food off the table. They can know exactly when to get up. My baby said, I want to be in the video. Girl, please, you don't eat none of this. She's talking about the people miss me. She'll be raising hell in a minute. She's looking for her mother now. And my damn dog over here somewhere sniffing.
She under you.
To drop something.
She right under you.
They can't let me be great. See how this garlic tastes. I ain't need all that. Naima, turn it down now. That garlic, that's way too much going on. You want it to be so overpowering where it kind of tastes spicy with vinegar or something.
It was all the same thing?
Mm-hmm. I don't know how they gave me so much. I guess they saw all this meat.
Are you supposed to just pour it on the meat, or was it meant to be dipped?
So I'm going to pour it on it. That's why you won't get tired of that taste.
Oh, it's going to get soggy.
Yeah, and I like the, that's why I tell her what piece to give me, 'cause I like that part to be crunchy, but it's strong. You want to taste it?
Yeah, let me taste it.
Wait. I'm going to give you a piece that ain't, you know, you all about fat. Oh, there you go. Oh, damn. Oh. Taste it. She's trying to play with me, because she knows she wasn't supposed to be in the video. But she ain't going to do her slime. So she's playing with me now.
Yeah, it's real vinegary.
Yeah, right?
Mm-hmm.
That sounded, it wasn't that strong.
It's like they put a whole bunch of vinegar, maybe a little salt, and a little bit of garlic on top.
That sounded was a lot of garlic, but that seems like a lot of vinegar.
What you gonna eat next? You decided?
Mm-hmm. I made a list out because I have a real hard time figuring out what I want to eat. So I think the next one to be Friday. I want to try the McDonald's chicken sandwich.
Which I've had, and I think it's really good.
Yeah, I think I'm gonna try that. And then I'm gonna see. Saturday. What else did I want to do Saturday? Since I didn't do one of that, I said today is Wednesday, Friday, I do on Saturday. Oh, I'm gonna do like maybe 10 to 12 lobster tail. Probably with some
You gonna fry them?
No, I think I'm just gonna steam them. But you know they already small, and then if I'm gonna get even smaller, I'm gonna do that probably with just some cucumber and maybe some pickle radish.
That sounds like really good.
Something simple. I probably could eat that.
Yeah, that shouldn't sound like it's too heavy of a meal.
Cause y'all know I don't eat much, so. Yep. My grandbaby, she getting upset. I can't put her over with me because she'll slash his food.
She'll knock all that down.
Anything I eat, she thinks she's 6 months. She thinks she's supposed to have some. I usually let her taste it, but couldn't eat this.
She sure would try though.
I like their vegetables, but they could cook their broccoli just a little longer.
It's tough.
It's a little crunchy, not really, but no, actually it's not bad today.
What's that white stuff? That's cauliflower?
Yeah. Yeah, I don't like cauliflower, right?
Yeah, I'm not a fan. I never tasted it though.
I don't think it tastes like nothing really.
I don't like the smell.
I don't like the smell of broccoli. I don't like the smell of collard greens. Cabbage. But I like it.
You looking at that food? That's not
I don't
just.
like that fat from some of them. We can do a little bit of fat, but we ain't gonna get ridiculous with it. My kid is playing with me today. She looking at me like, you want some Ronnie? She's chewing. You wanna come to the video? Come on. She's like, You give me some food? I think my neighbors fighting over me earlier. I gotta be picking which piece of the meat I want because I like the crunchy part. I don't like it dry out and shit. She like
She's
us.
so
This is
excited.
over. She knows she gonna get something, a taste of something.
She see all this equipment. She's so excited.
Excuse me. Drink while I'm eating or right after. Excuse me, I'm supposed to wait at least 40 minutes to an hour before I drink anything. She over there working the camera, happy too. You see me, Bonnie? You see me? You wanna come over here with Grandma? Come on. You wanna come? Come on. She just smiling. Excuse me.
We'll let you go on the video at the end, okay? Say bye to the people at the end.
Fried pork. You want some?
No.
Don't even look for me to put a dent in this because it will never happen.
That's a lot of food.
Yes. And I cannot eat that much. Especially after this broccoli, potatoes, because you know potatoes is full of anyway. You can blame me, I don't know what to touch. Alright guys. Yeah, as y'all can see, I'm just about to get full now. But of course, I was going to give y'all 2 to 3 videos, so here I am again. But I will see y'all again, God willing, Friday. With a McDonald's mukbang. And Saturday. Alright guys, so let me let y'all introduce y'all to my grandbaby. Before I end this video. Woo! Oh, Vonnie. Child, that I ate that food. Say hi. Look at it. Say hi, Vonnie.
Trying to grab the food.
Look. Say hi, Mama. She wants something. That's what make her smile.
Mmm. Good. It's good. Yeah.
Say hi. Say hi to the people. Okay. And then she don't want you to stop. Because then now she looking for more. But we're going to end this video. You going to go back to your mama. I'm going to give you just a little piece of this potato. Okay? Smash it. No more. Say bye-bye.
Bye-bye.
Say, look, go like that, son. Say bye-bye. Look at mama.
Bye-bye.
All right, Facebook. We'll see you, Friday. Later, guys.